And I'm happy. And I'm happy. I got happy, happy mail. Happy, happy, happy mail. Happy, happy mail. Happy, happy, happy mail. Hi, bestie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, right here on YouTube. I'll go by Miss Frugal, so hopefully if you're not subscribed, you do subscribe to my channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to focus in on opening up Happy Mail that I've received. Some of these orders are from Black Friday up to now. Okay, so my first order that I'm opening is from Michelle. Michelle, thank you for the freebie saving challenge along with this beautiful planner club. Okay, Michelle her business is called Hustle and Flow. And I will make sure to include her YouTube page here in the description so you can go to her page, and within her page she will have the direct link for everything. So if you're not subscribed to her or anyone else that I mentioned in this video, make sure you subscribe to them. Okay, guys. So when I went to her website, the first thing I noticed was some placeholders. And the placeholders that I actually ordered, guys, they are the exact as the playing cards I use when I'm saving with friends. So I say, you know what? This is a must-have because it goes with the aesthetic that I'm working with during my cash stuffing. So, and I also found this stack keychain. And I say, you know what? This will be absolutely beautiful to place on my binder. So I really don't have a lot of charms or accessories that's actually on the cash envelope system that I'm utilizing, because I do typically have discount systems that I'm using. So I say, you know what, I do have the ring binders, and I was like, this would be absolutely beautiful on my vertical line binders. So absolutely love that. So next thing, I was on Amazon looking for some scratch off challenges, guys, and I ran across this scratch off challenge. Is all zodiacs. And I am looking forward to doing this challenge, guys. But that's all about the horoscopes, the zodiac signs. So now let's go ahead and get into this. Now, this is something that I received from Dear Finance. I did not order it. It's a gift. And I can't wait. So I got the stickers. I got a keychain and another paper clip, guys. Dear Finance, Karen, thank you. And she gave me $1 too, and another scratch off. Karen, thank you so much, because you didn't have to do this, and I absolutely appreciate it. I'm going to add this $1 to the next savings challenge that I do with the road to 800. And also, Karen has reached her 800 subscribers, but even though she has, we're trying to get her to 1,000 subscribers now. So make sure you subscribe to Dear Finance, aka Karen, as well. And I will make sure to have her link to her page in the description. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into some more Happy Mail, guys. Okay, so this order right here is from Budget with Maddie. And I was on Etsy, guys, searching, because like I said, I've been on this scratch off savings challenge thing right now. And I saw her savings challenge with the balls with the ribbons on it. And I say, you know what? I want this because it goes exactly with my aesthetic. And I am looking forward to starting this. And thank you so much, Maddie, for the freebies, because she gave me a few freebies as well. And I absolutely love your packaging. So I am looking forward to starting this. And I plan on adding a planner card in the pink ribbon to one of my planners. Not sure which one yet, but I will be adding that to one of my planners. So thank you so much. Okay, so now let's get into the next Happy Meal that I received. Okay, as you can see, I have more scratch off, guys. And this right here is from SNC Budget Creations. And I don't know, guys, I just been obsessed with the scratch offs. So I have some stickers. I have some shoe charms that match this. Oh, and I have another scratch off. I got some placeholders and another challenge. They're gonna, oh, I'm looking forward to doing all of these. So the scratch off is what I actually ordered. Everything else that I received are freebies. So make sure you support the shop, and I will leave the content creators YouTube page information in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the next order. Okay, so this is from Shop Villa Beautiful. And I ordered some stickers from her and some pins. Oh, guys. Oh, I think I'm a winner. So, Shop Villa Beautiful recently had a sale, and she indicated select people will receive a pouch. And I won one of those. So I won a freebie, guys. So I just have to contact them to get my credits added to my account. Thank you, Tiffany. So I also got these pins right here as well. So I do plan on doing a giveaway soon, and one of these pins will definitely be a giveaway when I do my next giveaway. And I think the last time when I did an unboxing of Happy Meal, I showed you guys Shop Beautiful pins within the box. So this time I said, you know what, let me take them out the box so you can actually see the actual pins. Man, I remember a long time ago, guys, when I first found out about Shop Villa Beautiful. Shop Villa Beautiful pins are absolutely beautiful. They all write well too, and you do receive refills with your pins when you place orders. Well, she did start something new this year. You can select in getting refills or points. And so now I just go ahead and get points because I have plenty of refills. So I am very pleased with the pins that I got. Okay, so the last order I had already opened it, guys, but I want to share with you. This is one of my orders from Black Friday for Rose Shadow Collection. I got this sticker book, and this is one of the sticker books that I use with my Plan With Me for the week. I absolutely love her sticker books, and I typically get sticker books from her along with the pins and the bookmark. So if you're looking for LV planner stickers, LV bookmarks, and magnetic pins, Rose Shadow Collection is where you should go. And if you do decide to shop at Rose Shadow Collection, you can save 15% off with my code Karen15, and that's when she's not having a sale. So these are just some of the pins that I've picked up, and some of them, like this bow right here, I already have the bow, but I do have various notebooks, like this little mini notebook right here that I wanted to add a magnetic pin to. But just in case if you're new here, guys, when Rose Shadow Collection recently had a sale, not this order right here, but she had a sale. I can't remember if it was in January or this month, But my goal was to purchase several planner stickers because I am utilizing my LV agenda this year. I hadn't used it in a few years, but I decided to get back to it for 2025. And so since she has the LV sticker books, I wanted to make sure that I ordered enough to cover me for at least half of this year so that I won't have to keep on purchasing. Now, I do have some other pens that I did order from her that I totally forgot to bring in here, and I'm not going to stop and go get them. But anyway, guys, this is basically my happy mail that I want to share with you all. And I'm pleased with everything that I got. So, guys, thank you. Have an awesome day, guys. Toodles.